Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I got a big surprise for you. We got this, the first time I ever got this. We got a Hotwheels 9-pack exotics pack. This is from the exotic packs. And the special one, we got a Bugatti Chiron. Look at that. This is like the first Bugatti I ever had, except for the Matchbox Bugatti Devo. But so this is going to be my second Bugatti I have in my car collection. But yeah. I'm really excited, but I got those ones too, but who cares. But yeah, today we're gonna open it very gently. Okay, So guys, we gotta be very careful. I'm very nervous. We gotta open very gently. Yes. So here it is. Here is a package right here. It's very beautiful. So here's a Chiron, an Aston Martin, Lamborghini. We got the same one. We got Lotus of an hold up guys, wait. Aston Martin. So first one, let's take a look at the Aston. Let's take a look at the Aston Martin. Okay. Ooh, this car is actually really nice. Oh, is this an Aston Martin? No, this is a Jaguar. So this is a Jaguar. This is 2015 Jaguar F-Type Project S. The car is really nice too. Like, look at that. Is like so nice. I was thinking this was an Aston Martin, but no, this is a Jaguar. I really like the car a lot with the stripes here and the red color. And also the rims are nice too. But yeah, it's pretty beautiful too. I like it. It's my first time seeing it, but yeah. The car is pretty good. It's pretty good, you know? So let's just put it on the moving conveyor belt. Yeah. So yeah, the car's actually really nice. I like it. So yeah, I did not actually expect this car to be in the set, but whatever. Next car is next car we got here looks pretty nice, and this car's actually heavy, and I love the rims. And this is it doesn't actually say the name. But this is it's a Lotus Accepta, and the car was made in 2001, I think. But yeah, the car is really nice. It looks like when I first saw the car, I thought it was some Porsche. Oh, but yeah, the car is like really cool, and it's like heavy at the same time. And the rims are very nice. And the car, when you drive it gives you like this weird feeling that the car is like really light. It's like feels really nice when you like move the car around. It goes like really smooth. I'm serious. And the car is just like absolute beauty. It looks like a Porsche, but on the front it looks like a Volkswagen, and on the back it looks like some old Mustang. But the car is actually pretty cool. It kind of reminds me of some Porsche. But yeah, it's even got this cool green stripe down here, and it's even got the little like old headlights that open up. And they got these cool little old-timey rims that I really like. They're my favorite rims. And the car's even got like a beige interior, but yeah. Let's just put it on here. Move you down. I can't wait. Oh. Okay, the car's like really nice. I love it for some reason. But yeah, next car we got is this Lamborghini. So let's just turn this off for now. But yeah, right now we got this Lamborghini. This is a nice model. It's very smooth. And this car is like in a nice purple color. Because this car is purple, and purple is my favorite color. And like, this is like my first... No, this is like my, this is one of like my favorite cars now. It's literally purple. This is my first purple car I got. I'm not really sure. I gotta look into my collection. So, guys, I'm gonna have a collection of purple cars, except for fake cars. But yeah, the car is really nice too. I love the little like flat. I love this little this little France flag on the side with the little white like things that are covering the rim, the detail on it, and the car drives very nice, just like the Lotus, except for the Jaguar. Actually, the Jaguar is pretty nice too. All the cars in this set are like drive like really nice. But yeah, this is a Lamborghini Veneo. I don't know, I got one right there. Yeah. But this one seems a little bit better. I feel like this one is a like treasure hunt or something, but it's not. That's what I know. So with this, you're gonna have to get off. So yeah, I really like the car. So it's just 1, 2, 3. And also, I really like these little I literally like this little spoiler. Okay, the car's ready. I love it. Okay, next one we're gonna close. So here's some more cars. So here is a Aston Martin. So next to we got is an Aston Martin. The car drives very nice too. I love the green color and the yellow stripe on this car. So this is an Aston Martin bubble model. Aston Martin V8 Virgin. This V8 engine, like whoof. Car we go flying. The car is like really nice. I love this green and the yellow stripe going through it. The car is so sexy. I love it. I love the color of it. It looks like a watermelon. Not really. So the car looks very nice. I love the rims. I love everything about it. It's pretty nice, but it's only got like 2 mufflers, but that's okay. It was pretty nice, but yeah, let's put it here. And 1, 2, 3. Bada bing. Okay, let's just stop it. There you go. Last car in the set. Very special. Which I shall never touch and be as careful as possible. So yeah, guys, here is the Bugatti Chron. The car feels like very wide. I love it. So this car is a 2016 Bugatti Chiron. Oh my god, I love the car so much. The car feels like so smooth, and it's got this nice blue color. And it's even got the little tiny thing on here, the Bugatti, and then the back. And also the rims too. They're nice and pearly white. I've seen this car a lot, but this is my first Bugatti. Like Hot Wheels Bugatti, but yeah. Car is really nice, I love it. So let's just get it off here. And there we are. But yeah, guys, this is the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Like and subscribe, share, comment. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed. I have a game channel, Zamir Gaming 101. Share, like, comment on that channel too. Bye-bye. And also, guys, have a great day. But I'm just going to align all these cars right here to the best. So first the Bugatti, next the Lamborghini. So if I had to pick from these, it'll probably be the Aston Martin. And then after the Lotus. the Veneos. Look, guys, look, they both have lines. But yeah, here are all the cars. Yeah, right. But after, I'm gonna gently put all the cars back in their package. Oh, here we are. Okay, very confused. Number 1, number 2, number 3, and we're done. So yeah, bye bye.